Did you know that there is a National Caesar Salad Day? Yes, you heard it right. Celebrated each year on July 4th, this day honors the universally loved Caesar salad, a staple in restaurants nationwide. So, the Caesar salad is not just a salad, it's a phenomenon. But have you ever wondered how the Caesar salad came into existence? Well, it's a tale as zesty as the salad itself. This universally loved dish owes its creation to an Italian chef, Cesare Cardini, who immigrated to the US in the 1920s during the Prohibition era. He opened a restaurant in Tijuana, Mexico. Running low on ingredients one day, he tossed together romaine lettuce, croutons, and a unique dressing, and voila, the Caesar salad was born. Thus, the Caesar salad is named after a chef, not a Roman emperor. How can you celebrate National Caesar Salad Day, you ask? Explore your culinary side by creating your personalized Caesar salad or savor it at your favorite restaurant. Share your Caesar salad adventure on social media. So, this National Caesar Salad Day, go ahead and indulge in this flavorful delight.